this video, we will see how to use the ghost burning animated title in your video. For this, you need to download burning animated title preset. Go back to Premiere Pro again. Click on the graphics section. Click on Install Motion Graphics Template. Open Burning Animated Title preset. Scroll down. You can see that the preset was installed. Drag and drop the preset on timeline. Click on the text control. Enter your title text from the text box. You can change the font from here. Click on the editing section. Click on the motion. You can move the title from position to right, left, up or down. Increase title size from the scale. Here I am going to use 500. Thanks for watching the video.